We are working on the creation of prototypes for the sustainable production of food in urban environment.
We will try to involve people to touch these new products and to use them for alternative uses.
With Creative Food Cycles, we want to empower architects, designers, cultural operators and product designers towards proactiveness and engagement.
The reason why Creative Food Cycle wants to tackle this, it's really to introduce also the topic into the world of architecture, design and product design, and to understand if the challenge posed by the food production, consumption and distribution can have also an answer connected to creativity, arts and performances.